How to retire through property. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can retire in a relatively short space of time through property. But before we begin, I've got a favour to ask. If you really like this content and you like watching my videos and you think that they're educational, informative and they're helping you on your property investing journey, press the notification button and the bell icon, because then you'll get notified every time I post a new video. Okay, so on to today's video. It is all about retiring from property. It's easier than you think. Let me explain. So typically, on average, you can cash flow, i.e. monthly profit, from a typical property of around £400. So if we just put on here £400. Now this doesn't include HMOs. If it's a HMO, then this could be a lot more. It could be £1,000, could be even £2,000. So we're just going to go on a regular buy-to-let property. So let's suppose that it's £400. If you wanted to retire with a monthly income of, let's say, £3,000, okay? So we'll just round that up for the figures. So if you want to retire on £3,200 a month, that means you only need to have 8 properties and you're retired. So 8 buy-to-lets multiplied by £400 a month equals £3,200 a month profit. Okay? And that essentially is it. How easy is it to do this? Okay, well, it's easier than you think. If you use my method, my conveyor belt method, where I teach you to buy property at below value, add some extra value to it, and then sell it for a lump sum profit, then you only need to do 2 or 3 of those before you've got enough deposit to start buying these types of properties. So let's say in the first year, so this is year 1, you buy 2 properties. So in year 1, you've now got 2 properties, and that's going to give you £800 a month profit. Okay. Let's suppose that in year 2, you're getting the hang of this now, and you can buy, let's say, three properties. Okay. So now we've got £1,200 a month. So already you're up to £2,000 a month. So in year 3, let's say that you buy 4 properties in that year. So 4 properties, you're going to get another £1,600, and now you're up to £3,600 a month in 3 short years. Okay, and guys, it's not difficult to do. The most difficult part is just getting those first few deals to get you on that conveyor belt, to get those lump sums of money in order to then start your buy-to-let, your investing career off. Okay, so 3 short years, £3,600 a month, passive income for you to retire. The younger you are, even better. If you're in your 20s or 30s, this is something that you should be planning on doing. Well, even if you're in your 50s, you could still plan on doing it. But certainly, if you're younger, just keep going. What do you want to name your retirement? Yeah. If you want to do this and if you double that and you want £7,200 a month, just keep going. So, guys, I hope that was useful. Real short video just on how you can retire from property in a relatively short space of time. Don't forget, as I mentioned earlier, to like and subscribe and put any comments below, and I'll speak to you next time.